All right, so hi everyone. Uh, so exciting to meet. So excited to be on here again. This is day two of a live stream that I have been doing for a bit of time now. Actually, just for 2 days to be honest. Um, this is based on a challenge that I was inspired entirely by Jesse over at Base on, and this challenge is integrated into the prevailing narrative that exists in the realm of crypto right now, which is AI agents in crypto. AI agents in crypto are just such a powerful narrative because half of what happens in crypto is oftentimes very much half of what happens in crypto most times is with the user interaction. I've been in crypto for a fair amount of time now, and a lot of what is the reality of what happens in crypto is that people oftentimes find it hard to get uh, onboarded because they oftentimes do not know how to be onboarded, right? Um, AI, for example, is just pretty much so easy. Like, I mean, the onboarding sequence for using ChatGPT is literally going to chat.com, right? Uh, but like for AI, for crypto, it's a little bit more convoluted, and that real life reality, combined with a few other factors, of course, means that what happens is that people are just at the place where they are going to be they're just going to find it hard to get into crypto. And but one thing that AI and crypto do together is, number one, I think for me, one of the very first wins is just being able to get into crypto easier and be able to interact with crypto easier, right? That is it for me. That's one of the few wins. I think it's pretty much from then on it just gets simply better, because if you're already in the space, you know that putting up crypto and AI together means that it's just a great, you know, intersection of where they both are together. And so just honestly, such a great idea. AI agents in crypto. Agentic workflow, on the other hand, is just workflow that that is almost at the point of autonomy. You give the AI something to do, it starts it takes it through to the end, and all that good stuff. That is where it's at, really, for me. And it is it is it is obviously understandable why it is that this is like such a permanent part of, or rather such an amazing narrative in our space today in crypto. And that's because the crypto space is a place for innovation, and innovation is going to happen. If it's not going to be chain abstraction today, it's going to be account abstraction tomorrow, or it's cost, or it's real world assets, or in this case now it's AI crypto. And so it's exciting to be able to do this and be able to lead the charge in doing this. This is literally day two. This is literally day two, and I'm going 180 days. So I hope you guys work with me. I hope I do it. I hope I make it happen myself. And it was exciting to do this. So yeah, without much ado, I spoke on my Twitter about how this is going to be very much a what you call it, what are you going to call this now? Very much a learning and building series over the next maybe 2, 3, 4 days, maybe even 7 days. We in the last stream, the stream of yesterday, we had incredible levels of technical difficulty. That was crazy. Honestly, after recording the entire stream, I found out that my microphone wasn't working. That was crazy. That was incredible. I honestly do not know how that happened. And I really hope everyone is hearing me this time. I really hope everyone, because I'm streaming on Twitter, on Twitch, on YouTube, and on LinkedIn. But hey everyone, I hope I'm dressed appropriately. It's pretty late where I'm at, but I hope I'm dressed appropriately. So we're going to be learning and building in this stream. Right? We're going to be learning how to deploy an AI agent. There's a video I saw I'm going to share, right? And you can use that as your jump point. I probably even have that. I probably will even have that playing almost as soon as I can, right? But going on to build an AI agent that goes on to have the ability to, to take documents and speak in the tone of the document, or connect to what you call it now, to your Twitter or your Instagram, sorry, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, or anything, and act like an independent autonomous agent is such an important play, right? And we're going to be talking about that, how that works, and we are also going to be talking about what we are going to be building, right? I wish I had slides. I need to learn how to create slides, but I wish I could show you. But I'm going to show you guys some stuff, right? I'm going to show you what we are going to be doing, right? So I'm going to very first of all share my screen. I'm actually trying to pay. So, guys, I actually need to pay. So we are going to be using as per the conversation that we're having on getting on how things work, right? We're going to be using Cursor AI agent, right? We're using Cursor AI agent to build. We are going to be using a lot of technology that is available to us to speed run this process, right? So yes, I'm going to be showing you my workflow for building with Cursor AI agents. And it's a bit of what you call it. What is it going to be called now? It's a bit of I don't know, cosmic irony that we're going to be using AI agents to build AI agents. But I guess, hey, these things happen. But I'm a developer myself, so that means that I'm going to be very much deep into the trenches of inspecting the code, making sure the code works and all that good stuff. So yes, so without much ado, I need to first of all go on to pay for my Cursor subscription. I have to pay for my Cursor subscription. I'm just going to very quickly see what that is about. Okay. I mean, I said I was going to pay my Cursor subscription. I'm going to share my screen so you see exactly what I'm up to. Okay, entire screen, share. I hope you guys can see my screen now. Yeah, I think you can share I think you can see my screen. Okay, so I'm just going to how do I do this? I think this is done this way. No, actually, not like that. No, not like that. Yeah, I literally did this yesterday. This is crazy. Yeah, that's it. There you go. All right. I'm right there at the bottom. You know what? Yeah, I think I'm going to move it to the top. To be honest, I think it's so much more better at the top. But I'm gonna do this right. Put this here. Yeah, bad idea. Yeah. Let's see if this is better. This is better. So, guys, this is gonna be a 3-hour long stream there, about maybe 2-3 hours, maybe 2-3 hours thereabouts. Okay. All right. So, we're going to be doing this. So I think the first thing to do is I need to actually go on to pay for my Cursor subscription. So you guys are going to watch me literally do everything. I am not going to be hiding anything. I'm building in public. It's funny. Oh yeah, this is an amazing video I found today, and I actually haven't even watched it, to be honest. I probably should watch it to give some context as to what we're going to be building. Fortunately, the Eliza docs are pretty good. I have seen them. I think I viewed them yesterday before I started. Like I viewed some part of them yesterday. They're pretty good, right? So I should watch this, but I don't know. I think it's pretty good. I'm going to go through the docs again. I hope you guys can hear me, by the way. I really don't want to spend. You know what? I'm just going to put this out in. Can you please tell me if you can hear me, please? Oh my God, I can't type anymore. Please tell me if you can hear me yesterday. All right, so I think I have put that. Okay, yeah, that's on Twitch. It's on YouTube. All right, cool. Hopefully everyone can hear me. We have 12 people on stream. Yesterday we had 0 people on stream, so GG's. I'm so excited. All right, so let's see. I should pay for my subscription. Let's see. Okay, let's see. How do you even do that, anyways? Pricing. Get started. Oh my goodness! I just realized that I have to use my phone to do this. Good God in heaven! Is it done? Get started. How do you pay this thing? Okay, I think I have paid. Oh God. Okay, I'm just gonna check here. See if I have. Okay, apparently I'm on Pro. Let's go over here. It's pretty much the same thing. I don't. I just don't know if my account has been debited. I literally just don't even know. That's very problem. I really hope I have a subscription to Source because it expired today. All right, cool. I'm just going to very quickly go to the Eliza docs and just see what we have right here. I love the character file. Amazing project, really. Amazing project, really. Okay. Um. All right, so I'm going to be breaking stream to like talk to look at my DJ wallet a little bit. There's some stuff going on there. Cool. Let's go. So we have the Eliza docs over here. Amazing project. Again, I think I did a bit of a little monologue on how AI agents or what they are for our reality right now in crypto, and really genuinely everywhere else, really, because like AI agents are taking over the world. We're looking at autonomous people that are going to be able to get what are able to work in the workplace, right? AI agents that are able to be receptionists for, and you can pay for them $20 a month. AI agents, that can handle trading, maybe self-custodial IRAs, right? I had a conversation with a friend of mine over at Win Social, Jason Youngs. If you're on this stream, you're amazing, Youngs. Yeah, and so it's really genuinely everywhere, Yeah, it is everywhere. And I think it's just so important that, it's just so important that the narrative is in crypto as we have it in the builder section and even in the DGen section. Hey, listen, I'm as much of I'm not gonna lie, I do enjoy a fair amount of meme coin trading. So if the 180 Jefferson, if you decide to make a coin, the 2 Jefferson is right behind you. He loves the work you're doing. Okay, cool. Back to Eliza. Yeah, I'm going to see if I can expand this a little bit. See if we can expand this just a little bit, and then so everyone can read it. Actually, I'm just going to. I think this is enough. Yeah, so cool. It's a little bit too much for me, but hey, what do we have to say? So Eliza is amazing because what Eliza is a powerful multi-agent simulation framework designed to create and manage autonomous AI agents. Built in TypeScript, it provides a flexible and extensible platform for developing AI agents that can interact across multiple platforms while maintaining consistent personality and knowledge. Guys, give me a minute. I just realized I actually do want I want a couple of my friends to come join the stream. So I'm just going to send them the link for this. I'm just going to send them a link for this. So copy link. Just give me a minute. All right, so give me a minute, guys. All right. I was gonna show this crazy. Actually, I forgot what I wanted to do. Yeah. All right. Cool. I'm just going to continue from here. All right. Cool. So B2 TypeScript and all of that good stuff. So it's amazing. Eliza is genuinely amazing. I've done a bit of stuff with it, played around with it a little bit, and I am going to do like a small introductory AI agent for you so you can see what it looks like. So fortunately, I've done the cloning here, but oh god, it costs so much time to clone. So I don't know. I'm just going to walk you through what you should do if you want to use it, right? But hey, we don't have a lot of time. Really don't have a lot of time, right? And I would like to be able to do this soon. Yeah. You know what? Yeah. If you want to see what it looks like, no, I'm just going to build it. It's fine. It's fine. I'm just going to build it. All right. So cool, cool, cool. Let's see. Let's just open this. Okay. Let's see. Let's open here. Yep. That's done. So cool. So loot chain is what we are going to be building, and I have done some stuff with creating like a a, a PROD document, right? I'm going to open this a little bit. All right. I don't know if anyone can see it. I hope you can. I hope you can see this. I hope this is big enough for you to see. I'm just going to open this a little bit more. I hope everyone can see this. Ah, cool. But this is what we'll get to this. I guess we'll have to get to it because I would love to be able to start from just literally start, but I kind of did promise you guys that I would. So I'm going to just recap what he has done. I haven't watched this thing, but it's pretty easy. Just the get started is just right here. Shout out to the team for being so great with like what this is. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, good. Let's just start. We're just going to build out the quick start guide. So let's go to the. Let's just do a quick git clone of the project and just have it done. Because I promised you guys, why me and my big mouth? Yeah, I'm absolutely big mouth. So I'm just going to just copy this and just have this here. Let's just do a GG's. So we're just going to do it very quick. Let's see. Just going to do it very quick. Git clone. Actually, it's already done. So git clone. Yeah. Clone Eliza. Um, All right. Still loading. Gonna take. It takes a bit of time. It's actually terrible. But yeah. Also, really genuinely hope that everyone can hear me. Uh, really hoping that everyone can hear me. I'm just gonna do this. Open my Twitter. See what we have here. Okay. Shout out to my guys. If you guys are on here, Shagun, Ameji, and Uche. Yo, thanks. Thanks for retweeting the stream. Oh my goodness, that failed. Okay. I'm just gonna. I found that getting a VPN on seems to be able to help with that. So I'm just gonna do that and just do a quick connect. And that's weirdly enough. All right. I think what happened there was my not VPN picked up the internet, so that went crazy. So I'm gonna try the cloning again. Okay. So it's actually pretty easy, right? All you simply have to do is just do a git clone. You see it to Eliza, you do a git checkout to this, pretty much standard stuff. Then you choose your model, right? We're pretty much going to be using OpenAI, right? And from then on, you just simply just um, this for local inference for people that are using local models, maybe local models on their machines, and you create your there are a bunch of default characters, right? Choose the character you want, do a PMP start, use the character, you interact with the client. That's pretty much it. And then you can do a Discord bot integration, we can do a Twitter integration. I just want to just do this for you so that for anyone that is watching this, you can literally just have like a quick start guide, right? It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. What is the real thing that we are going to be building? Is crazy. I should even show you. Give me a minute. Let me see if I can find it. Docs. Actually, I said I was going to ask a couple of people to come join in. All right, cool. You're in. Cool. Very quickly, just do this. We're going to see the Eliza. Yep. And of course, we have like a pretty inclusive set of readmes. Our agent file, character file, pretty nice actually. We have VS Code agent file right here, the test, and all that good stuff, right? This is a pretty, okay, let's see, Jest, they're using Jest, Eliza core. See what that looks like. Okay, can I see what that looks like? Where's the imported from? Eliza core is where exactly? Interesting. Oh, it's a package. I assumed weirdly it was from npm. Obviously, it wasn't from npm. All right, cool. Yeah, great. Determine client type. Mock name client implements client. Implements client. Yeah, this looks great. Yep. Pretty standard set of tests. Okay. Database cache. Okay. String to UI. This is nice. Pass boolean from text. Yeah, read this client. Ooh, read this. Okay. I think I want to get on the team that is I think I love the code. The code is pretty nice. Pretty nice. I mean, I'm just a dev though, so but it's pretty nice. Like this is nice stuff. Let's see. This looks good. Okay, cool. Listen, I should stop geeking over the code. Listen, let's do this first. Let's do this. All right, cool. Actually do okay, this is done, and then we're going to do a PMP install no frozen log file. This is going to take a fair amount of time. Okay, why do I not have PMP? That is not correct. That cannot be correct. Okay, let's see what the problem is. GitHub, Eliza, GitHub. Actually, let me see what Eliza GitHub. Yep, there you go. Actually, I said I was going to share this with people. We need to get more people on stream. I'm so excited to have people on stream, join on stream. So excited to have people join on stream. So I'm just going to copy link. Hope everyone can see me though. I'm just going to, I was going to put, Oh, sorry guys. I'm just literally trying to invite a few friends of mine to Twitch to stream. Right. Simple. Yeah. Yeah. Like, so I simply just want to just invite a few friends of mine. I'm a little scared. I feel like imposter syndrome is one of the biggest things that this is going to teach me how to not, how to like try to be less of, how to feel of less of an imposter, right? All right, cool. All right, cool. That's it done. So listen, let's sort this out. This is not right. So okay. CD Eliza starter. Okay, I've cloned something wrong here. Okay. I'm gonna try this one more time because this should work actually. Come on, not found npm. PMP. I do have PMP, so why is this not working? That could be the problem. I'm gonna see if this is the problem here. If there is an optional set of instructions. Okay, we clone this. There's no Eliza starter because Eliza starter seems to be of something else. So let's see. Right. Why is this happening? Why I literally have PN. You know what? Obviously, doesn't make any sense to actually. I'm just going to run this very quickly. Could have sworn I had this. I'm just gonna terminal. Bring terminal right here. Here. All right. Cool. Now let's try that again. This should have worked. Okay, so we're gonna just go here. Wow. Okay. Oh, I know what the problem is. Of course. Oh my goodness. This should be in Eliza. I'm this better. All right, cool. That's working out. All right, this is. All right, cool. Yeah, this is going to take a long amount of time. Weirdly, it's the funniest thing. It's so terrible. Like it's a whole project. So yeah. All right. So what we're going to be doing is just I'm going to be walking you through what I'm going to be building today. So let's see, where do I have that? Da-da-da. Let's go over here. Let's close this. All right. So let's see if I can increase the font on this a little bit. Hope you all can see it. It's not pretty much too big for me, but hey, let's not be said that I do not love my stream. Also, let me know if you guys want some music. Like I don't know if anyone is actually even on stream, to be honest, because I did this yesterday and there was nobody on. Day 2 and I have 36 views. Crazy work. Crazy work. So if there's anyone here, I think I want to have some music going on by tomorrow. I hope you guys can hear me though. Yeah. So I mean, this is pretty much what we're trying to do. Just gonna open this couple things. So just stream. Hey, I'm looking to get soft music, maybe some house, a little bit of house music. I like some house music, and get a green screen and get more people on stream. And I want to set up NFTs for y'all. So yeah, have I mean I try to I think I want to like make something happen for like everyone that is interested, right? And in all of the stuff that we're going to be building. But yeah, so I'm just so like I have like literally 16 different ideas that I want to build out over the next 6 months to a year, right? 6 ideas for builders, 10 ideas for DJs. I'm going to actually go on to build more things for build. So this is going to be like a builder. It's for builders, and then we're going to have things for DJs too. So yeah, so this is what we're doing first. This is what we're going with first, right? We're doing this right here. So it's literally right here. So we're going to be building out an AI to analyze and find target audience for airdrops, right? An AI agent identifies optimal agents, wallets, and communities for airdrops. Then he utilizes on-chain data for token holders. Is that done yet? It's not done. Obviously, it's not done. For token holders most aligned with our project, and he uses Helios Labs for ZK compression for large-scale and cost-effective drops, right? That's what we're going to be doing today. I have like a whole battle plan that I concocted with AI and a friend of mine that is a product manager who I am going to be getting on stream very, very soon. It's going to be dealing with all our PRD needs and all that exciting stuff. So all that you're seeing over there, this is still loading up. So guys, so yeah. Okay, you want music? Which I've seen it. We'll definitely make music happen. Was definitely make music happen. Oh my goodness, why did that fail? Jesus Christ, man. Come on. Post install failed. Oh, this is crazy work. And we have our Node VPN on. So let's try this again. This is the problem. We're gonna get some good music going on. If you know me, you know that I love music. I do a bit of, I don't know if you see that at the back. That's my DJ set controller, my DJ controller. I have like a small house music thing I do. So it will be my utmost pleasure to get everyone hooked onto some great music, some great code. Hey, you guys will probably be coming with me on stream when I go play at events, right? But like when we are out here, I'm going to probably have some music that's playing in the background. I'm going to definitely hook us up. Day 3, music. It's literally right here. So anyway, so let's fucking go. Let's see. It's literally right here. I'm gonna get some soft house music, right? More people. Yeah, most definitely. So yeah, definitely Uche. Music it is. All right, so let's hope that this needs to load so I can show you what we're gonna be. Oh, listen, I was gonna show you why we wait for that to load. Okay, posting. So please walk. Bro, just literally walk, guy. Please walk. While that loads up, however, now this is what we're going to be doing. All right, so just going to lower this a little bit. All right, so this is a whole PRD, this is a whole last PRD. I'm just going to want to take this down a little bit, spread this out, real nice and smooth for everyone to see it. All right. All right, cool. This is what we're going to be doing. An AI agent for airdrop optimization. This is something that is not at all easy, but it is a testament. The beginnings of this entire year and period of time when I'll be shooting AI content is going to be something that is very much leveraging what AI can do for us, right? I'm going to be teaching and showing you how you can build in public, how you can build AI agents in public using AI tools. We're going to be doing our AI. We're going to be using a lot. Oh shit, it worked, guys. GG's. All right, cool. But I need to tell you guys what I'm doing. So a lot of what we're going to do is going to be very much AI assisted, and I'm going to show you my workflow. Right? We are going to be using AI because why not? Right? The goal is to onboard as many people as is possible, onboard traditional finance on chain, as much as $1 billion, right? Dollars on chain through our streams. Crazy work. I know it's absolutely crazy to imagine. And honestly, I'm just shooting for the stars. If I don't make it, y'all are going to say I did not make it. But like, why not? If we are going to dream, why not dream as big as you can get, right? So, yeah. So, AI agent for airdrop optimization. So we're going to be developing an autonomous AI agent that identifies optimal wallets and communities for airdrops by analyzing their on-chain data. So this AI agent operates within the Eliza OS framework, leveraging its modular architecture and ZK compression for scalable data processing. I'm thinking to myself that this is something that's really good, right? But I'm also thinking to myself that I might be overcomplicating this a little bit, right? There has to be a way to ZK compression we're going to do that with Helios, and we don't have anybody on stream right now from Helios. But I feel like we could grok it. I feel like we could grok it. Okay, now so the goal is this now. Create an autonomous AI agent that can ingest and process on-chain data, score and segment wallet autonomously, and provide actionable insight without human interaction. So implement agentic workflows through guarding agent wallet on-chain wallet data, analyze and score wallet activity, then output targeted list and recommendations. This is going to be powerful. I'm so excited about this. Next, we're going to be utilizing Eliza's multi-agent architecture to define distinct components and then employ Eliza's built-in RAG system for efficient data management. And I'm going to be big on security, privacy, and modular interaction patterns, as the case might be. So I will. These are the expanded things, right? Right. So some expanded. I'm going to definitely be doing some of this, but not all, to be honest. So technical requirements, we're going to be requiring. So Eliza managed cloud services, Eliza compatibility with AWS, GCP, and Azure for scalable compute power, support for GPU acceleration if AI models require it, encrypted databases, API and SDKs. This is pretty much going to be something that we're going to really think through, right? And real-time monitoring with tools like Grafana and Prometheus, and error alerting with PagerDuty, OpsiGZ, and Eliza's Discord AI integration, right? Cool. This is some security stuff. I'm kind of big on security. OAuth. Shout out to OAuth, right? I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it, but OWASP. I did a little thing back on it when I was in a fintech, kind of stuck in my head. Yeah, so interaction patterns, all that. I'm going to come down to all of this. So we're just waiting for this stuff to load. So let's see where that is. Okay, cool. There you are. Cool. All right, so very quickly, we're going to be going on to, let's see. Very quickly, we're going to be going on to do this. Oh, shit. We have to build. Oh, shit. I forgot. We have to build. This is going to take a bit. Yeah, I'm just going to keep this down and just. Okay, listen. This is why it builds, right? Let's keep chain to a side. Very cool. While this builds, I'm going to walk you through how you set up Eliza for AI agentic workflows. It is so amazing. It's crazy. I'm going to hide this panel a little bit right now. So it's crazy. So I'm just going to close this here. And very first thing, what we've been looking at since has been what you call it now? Our English readme. Here you go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, all of that. The most important thing that you need to know with Eliza is that you want to immediately go on to pass in your keys, your environment variable. So what you want to do is you want to copy this, open another terminal, and just go this, Okay, yeah. I literally need to leave this folder. Eliza, just yeah, there you go. Just put this here. Okay, and then what we want to do is that we want to instantly have this, and this is where the magic happens. Almost literally, to be honest, almost literally. So I'm just gonna go to my Open AI because now, oh, listen, before I go down there, you have pretty much a run of the mill expected env file. If you're going to be integrating with Discord, you have your application ID, your API token, your voice channel ID. This is pretty standard if you've ever done any form of Discord bot work. Really, I did some work with Discord bot. It goes crazy. I really love it. Honestly, I think that is how Telegram got their inspiration. I really hope you guys. I think my network is a little wavy right now. I think it's okay. It's back on. Hope you guys can hear me. Also, increases a little bit. Yeah, cool. Yeah, pretty much cool with that. These are your AI model kills, or as everything you can pretty much expect. This is what we're going to be using. Eternal AIs. I think Eternal AI is associated with Eliza. I think Eternal model. I mean, I think I'm right. I'm not really sure. I think I'm right. Grok, of course, your Grok. Open Router is something that's really great. I think it's like more of a routing switch between different API, between different API offerings for AI, right? Nano GPT. I mean, this is pretty much what you'd expect, run of the mill stuff, LivePair, 11 Labs, whatever configuration. This is literally, honestly, I love the framework of this project. Guys, we have 83 people on stream. This is crazy. 83 people is crazy work. Yesterday, I had 0 people on stream. 83 people is... Thank you so much for joining the stream, guys. It's only going upwards from here. All right, cool. Okay, what do I want to do? Yeah, cool. I wanted to check what we need to do now is this now. We need to get our open API. We need to get our API. We need to get a new API key. And I need to increase this also. Yeah, verify I'm human. Of course I'm human. Let's see how this is going. Oh, this is done. Wow. Yeah, I feel gaslit. Very much gaslit because yesterday this was so terrible. I was on stream late. Guys, I actually said I did this yesterday. Literally terrible. You see, yesterday, this was literally okay, actually it was never used. Crazy. I'm just gonna delete this then. Yeah. And oh yeah, I was building something really sexy. Also playing with something really sexy too. I'm always playing with things, man. It's crazy sometimes. Okay, cool. So it's pretty much why I like this stream. Because I can play with things online. Right. So okay, cool. Let's do Eliza 1. It is late. I really don't have the day to decide. Okay, let's just go with Eliza 1. So what we're going to do, we've copied the API key, and you're never seeing that again. It's going to be deleted right after the stream, so don't bother about it. Please, whatever happens, do not share your API keys with anybody. Ever. Never share that. I should have taken that off screen, but really I'm going to delete it right after this. I'm just going to paste this in here, and I'm going to try to keep it away from you all. Okay, cool. Up next is pretty easy. You just simply have to go. Okay, you've chosen that, and okay, so this is pretty much it. So you choose your model. We're done with this. Sorry, guys. Then you choose your model, and so this is it. Set which model to use inside the character JSON file. That's pretty much where I stopped. So from this moment, you guys are actually seeing the raw version of me. I literally have not gone beyond this. Let's see, because I realized I did not actually even have people on this thing. Sorry, guys. I have an amazing set of friends. All right, cool, guys. Sorry, I had to go talk to my guys real quick. So let's go. Oh yeah, we're going to talk about something right now. We're going to go to the character. Oh yes, guys, I need to show you this. Character description file is everything. Now, the character description file is pretty much where you define what you want your character to be, right? Your character in this context is the personality of the reply agent, or the personality of the personality that your agent is going to be, because the reply is just for only Twitter. So I mean, you can also be on Telegram, on Discord, pretty much anywhere, right? Amazing stuff really from the team at Eliza Labs, because look at this. Trump character.json is, I mean, look at this powerful stuff. So I'm just gonna all right, cool. All right, cool. So look at this. Trump, right there, like literally right there, is Trump model provider, OpenAI. And this is the bio, this is the law, this is the knowledge, right? Message examples. What's your stance on abortion? Everyone knows I would not support a federal abortion ban under any circumstances, but I would veto it because it's up to the state to decide based on the will of their voters. Like Ronald Reagan before me, I fully support the 3 exceptions for rape, incest, and the life of a mother. I do not support the Democrats' radical position of late-term abortion, as in, for example, I mean, this is literally Trump. I'm sure that's an excerpt from his speech. Amazing stuff, really. Amazing stuff. And this is a character that you can have in your, I don't know, you can literally have it in your, what do you call this thing? As your reply guy, right? You can have it on your Discord. You can have it on your Telegram. Amazing stuff. So, I mean, we have Tate, we have Eternal AI, which I think, again, it's connected to, I need to actually check that out. There's Dobby, and there is, the C3PO, So, I mean, definitely. So what we can just very well do is, so we've chosen, so we are going with the Eternal AI, and we know the model to use inside the character JSON file. And then what you can do now is that we can also use, we can also go to character documentation and go on to build our own character, right? It is pretty easy. So you just simply take, for example, you just simply go, I think the way it works, let's see. Okay, example, core components, key fields. Okay, or you require your name, model, provider, client, bio, mix the law, knowledge, message examples, books examples. Love it. I love this. Is pretty easy. Adjective array. This describes the character traits. Pretty, like, honestly, perfect stuff. Templates config. I love these docs, honestly. Who is behind the docs? The docs are really good. Shout out to everyone that's doing this. I really like this. This is so descriptive. Complete character file. This is amazing stuff. Best practices. So literally, if you literally want to create a new character, you just simply go over here. You create a new file. Maybe I want to name this character 180 agents dot character.json. And what they're simply saying is that you make sure you copy, like, this is a complete character file now. So you should copy this and copy this, put this in here. What you can then do is that you want to ensure that you have, the key fields, which are the name, model provider. Okay, I mean, again, shout out to Corso. I was going to even use Corso to generate this anyways. Model provider, we're just going to use Eternal. No, I don't want to use Eternal AI. I want to use OpenAI because we are using OpenAI. Our clients, we're probably just going to use Twitter. Just going to use Twitter. Twitter is good. Twitter, right? And then AI researcher, of course, so we can just I'm just going to try this. Okay, there you have perfectly good law. I mean, obviously not perfectly good law, but you get the idea, right? And there you have it. Pretty easy. And so you can create that. Sorry, guys. Yeah, pretty easy. It's really the easiest in the world. Major examples. You can like do all of this, so you can. So you can just define how you want it to be, right? You know what I'm going to do. You know what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to say go through the 180 agents, the 180 agents file, and create a character dot and replace it and replace the content there in that format, in the same format with you know what, I'm just going to go here, right? I'm just going to go here, right. I'm just going to say okay, this is my thesis. This is my thesis, right? I'm just going to copy all of this as my thesis, right? I'm going to copy this and say from I'm going to and replace the content there in the same format with and replace the content there in the same format, right? With something that works with this. I'm just going to like, so let's see. So this is what I'm saying. I'm saying go to the 180 agents.character.json file and create and replace the content that we see, content there in the same format with something that works with this, right? And I'm going to go on to copy this actually and put this in our cursor composer, right? And I'm going to put this in here, right? An agent. I'm going to make it an agent, right? Cool. So it's going to. So let's see what it gets for us. This is just of course for test, right? I'm pretty much going to be building our whole apps like this, right? So just pretty much get used to it. Sweet, right? Okay, let's see. Ooh. Okay, look at so. Let's see what we have. We have so 180 agents. I'm just gonna do something where so it's on a mission to generate $1 billion in 180 days through on-chain dollars, two on-chain AI agents, revolutionizing every vertical from social media to healthcare. Right, cool. Gonna accept this. It's pioneering the integration of AI agents to blockchain technology across all industries. The project aims to transform how businesses operate. Actually, we are almost hitting the 1 hour mark, and I need to be done so I can show you guys what we are building for today. Whoa! Streaming is so much fun. This is crazy. Okay, stop. Because we actually need to. I think I'm making this stream. We're almost hitting the 1 hour mark. Okay, cool. Let's go. So, led by Jefferson Negalo, the project combines live streaming, community building, and practical building. Cool. I love it. Okay. I love it. Imagine having an AI assistant that handles your customer appointment, financial transactions. I love it. Building the future of on-chain AI agents from social bots to enterprise solutions. I love it. This is amazing. This is amazing sauce. Blockchain tech. I love it. We're gonna accept those two. Definitely. I love it. So this is a great. Wait a minute. Why is this here? There shouldn't be. Hold on, guys. Yeah. So we at the end of this, we have a model that says cloud. This is why you should always check your AI code. Always check your AI code. Let's see. Let's see if that is actually something that happens. Also, why is this grayed out. Is it grayed out? I think it's grayed out. Why is it grayed out? I don't know why it's grayed out. I'm gonna find out why it's grayed out. Okay, I'm just gonna check the Trump version of this. I'm gonna check this. So copy. You know, what, I'm just gonna do this. It's even better. Go down to character files. Yeah, I think this is the problem here. We have Cloud 3 Opus. I'm gonna check for this. All right, let's see if we have a model. We only have two more. Why do we have our settings should be up here? Oh, this is the problem. Jesus Christ, man. So this should be up here. So why we have our settings down in this context? So I guess apparently there doesn't need to be like a setting arrangement to it, which actually is quite. I did not know. Which actually does make sense because it's JSON at the end of the day. Really, it's just JSON. So I'm just going to copy this here. I'm just going to copy this model provider. Copy this, put it here. Right, I think I have that one-to-one selected model provider. No, I don't. There's a difference between model and model provider. Let's see what the difference is. Interesting. So why is there model here? Interesting. Let's look at what the docs say. Oh shit. Sorry guys. This is model provider. Fine. I want to know what model is. What model is. Okay, let's see. So example, core components, name, model provider, client, bio, law, knowledge, message examples, post examples. Okay, so we do not actually need this because I think this is going to be confusing. You can't gray out what do you call it? You can't gray out JSON. Okay, so model. I'm iffy about this. I mean, it should work, but I don't like the fact that there is model up here. Randomization for variety. Oh, I think I see what the problem is. I think I get it because now up here we have model provider, and down here we have model. So up here we have model provider. Do we have model here? Model. It's just the same thing. It's just the same thing. I don't like this. Okay, cool. I'm gonna move this. Yeah, I'm just gonna move this. I think that should work. If it doesn't work, we are going to find out anyways. We're going to find out anyways. So we have model provider. What else could be the thing? I think that's pretty much it. Let's go. Okay, I passed that. Let's go. What else? I think that's pretty much it. So what we need to do up next is very simple. We need to go on to getting started, quick start. Just simply, we need to just very simply run this. That's what we need to do. So you need to just go do this and then do this, and then we're going to be doing characters that. Okay, now I remember this being grid is something that I do not understand. So I'm going to find out why we're going to find out by T agents. Okay, let's see. Okay, we failed. We failed that. So let's see what the problem is. Let's see what the. Okay. Load an env file, pass settings, open API. I think there's something wrong with our. Okay, I'm just gonna add this to talk me through the problem here and no code required. Oh, okay. This makes sense. They require plugins field. Plugins. Do we have a plugins field? Do we have a plugins field here? I don't think we have a plugins field. That's crazy. Yeah, so I think that's the one thing that needs to be done. There is something wrong with this, with the way that this is formatted. I mean, I've been loving the docs, so this is just a tiny thing that could just fix, literally. Perhaps I have the wrong of it. I'm sure I have the wrong of it because let's see. This is literally, yeah, here it is. This is what we copied, and they are saying we should have a plugins field here, and we do not have a plugins field here. So that's a problem. So let's see if we have a plugins field here. However, there is actually a plugins field. Yeah, there's a whole thing that's missing there. Yikes. Yeah, that definitely needs to be fixed. That needs to be fixed. That definitely needs to be fixed. Yep. So, anyways, I'm just going to copy this. This seems to be missing, and we could just, I think, where do they want us to put it? I'm just going to put it here. Can I put it after settings? I think after settings works. Yeah, that works. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it here. And then they say clients should be, yeah, that makes sense. Let's see if this works this time. Oh, this actually looks like it'd be nice. Ooh. Oh, Christ in heaven. Of course, I need to put my email, my username and password. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take it off stream view, to be honest, because no way you guys are seeing that. No way you guys are seeing that. Okay, I'm just gonna go here, see, go down to our env file that I'm sorry guys, I mean obviously we're not taking this entire field of view, right? Give me a minute. Also, I need to even think about how I incorporate music. I like the idea of music, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's the ADHD, but it will go crazy. Stream will go crazy if we have some music, man. Definitely. I'm just gonna put my username and password real quick into my I'm gonna bring that off screen, of course. So my username is what's that? Jefferson Icalo, and then my password is, well, wouldn't you like to know? I mean, what are you really gonna do with it? Doesn't really matter, really. Yeah, but yeah. So let's see. What is my password? I think that is it. If I remember, I can't even remember my email. I think that's my email. So I'm gonna try this again. We go again. Let's go. However, I forgot to mention that, guys, we have our bloody AI agent working, right? It's literally working. I don't know if you guys saw it. GG's, man. GG's. Okay. Okay, are we? Boom. Ha 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 ha. Let's go. Why is he telling me fuck off? What you say fuck me for? Let's go. I love it. Okay, I think it's downloading my tweets. I think we actually said about AI agent. Let's go. That was very, very good. Okay, so let's see. What's the thing to do right now is to next thing to do is to yeah, so platform integration. No, the platform integration. So after I start it, then I'll interact with the client. Yeah, okay. It's loading. So when it's done loading, we'll open a new one and then we'll run this. So when this is running, then we'll go to here. All right, let's have that load. Okay, this is loading up. Hey, let's see what is happening on my Twitter. See if he has access to my Twitter. Oh, okay. I think I have a lot of tweets. Okay. Oh, I should actually expand this a little bit. Whoa! I did not write this tweet. I did not. This was written by my AI agent. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to just code this very quickly. So this was written by the AI agent. We just scaffolded up on stream. I literally did not write that. That is not my tweet. I know, that's quite nice. I like it. It's great. Okay, cool. So it's done checking out Twitter interactions. So I'm just going to close that and be excited. I'm excited to see how that goes. Okay, cool. We're going to open a new this thing and just open this and just very quickly go and then run PMP PMP start client. So just going to go in here, just go see Eliza, just go. No. Also, I really don't have time. We need to get rebuilding what we need to be. Oh shit, this is going good. All right, cool. We're gonna open this. All right. Okay. So, okay. There's a chat interface. Who are you? Oh shit! Can you guys see this? I don't know if you can you guys see this? Shit. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna try to open this a little bit. Okay. Who are you? Let's see what this is. Is there going to be a response? Oof. Okay. I mean, hey, it speaks my language. Okay. I love it. What is your okay. Time to test you out. All right, cool. So I mean, beautiful. So let's see, what's that character overview? Oh, that's a WIP. So I mean, this pretty much is a great so we can just go on to just put in so we've done our Twitter integration. We can of course make a Telegram bot, another exciting stuff. You can chat with it, run multiple agents. Again, Shout out to Eliza. This is an amazing, amazing, amazing way to go about it. About creating a bot that can live on different platforms. I mean, with what we created here, this is very basic. All we are living on is just Twitter. We're just living on Twitter. And the context, the message examples is just like, you understand, just basic stuff. But this is a clear indication of where crypto is going, right? And where the understanding, guys, I need to stand up a little bit. My legs are aching like crazy. Ouch. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. Yeah, that hurts. Okay, I'm back. Well, yeah, that's where it's at. Honestly excited about it. And I'm glad that I'm going to, I don't need to push this. I was going to push this, but I don't need to push it. Obviously, it's ready. Yeah, I think I want to find a way to work on this at the back end, perhaps do some stuff around, like, do some stuff around, helping make this even bigger, right? I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I hope that at day 180, I'm a contributor at AI 16Z and the Eliza Labs. I genuinely hope so, because I love it, right? Really love the docs. I really, really love the docs. And cool, we're done with that. All right. Now we're done with that. Now let's see how we can take this. Take what we've done, this absolutely basic thing that we've done, right? Okay, we have guides here actually. Okay, configuration, advanced user script management, setup, advanced topics, fine tuning, infra, TEE looks amazing. Packages, again, core package. I'm going to look at what the core package looks like. Okay, installation. I think I need to see this. How this. Let me see. I need to see what the npm package looks like. Yeah, because I was looking at it the other time. And I'm just gonna see what it looks like. Listen, why am I? I'm just gonna try to find a way to keep this permanently at 150, so you guys can actually see it. That's the way to set that up. So, anyways, oh damn. Oh, it was just published 5 days ago. And it has 7,000 downloads. That is insane. Shout out to the team, for real. Shout out to the team. Okay, yeah. Again, love this. Love what it looks like. Okay, now we're done with that. Enough glazing. Yeah, cool. Now, we need to find a way to figure out. We need to figure out how a way to move what we have right now into what we are trying to build. What are we trying to build? We're trying to build loot chain. Right, I'm gonna take this down and then just spread this nice and smooth. So we already have, now you already saw how we did it, right? We had like really great stuff right there. This is the implementation, right? No, actually, this is interaction. If you were on this stream from earlier today, okay, now today I literally said I was going to be an entry-level AI agent, and we've done that already. So I'm going to leave that aside. But so we're going to come to interaction with it. So we're going to have an AI fetcher. We're going to have a reasoner. A distinct character within the Eliza OS to fetch wallet data from blockchain APIs and event logs. Pull wallet data from the storage layer using Eliza's rack system. Apply scoring algorithms. Wow, this is a massive leap, right? Event-driven workflow. Great. Okay. So this is our environment setup. Okay. Okay, API key selection, API key management. Okay. This looks pretty good. Okay. So encrypted data solutions. Yeah. I'm walking through this because I want you guys to understand what we're going to be building. All right, so we're going to be doing our environment setup. We'll probably have enough time to do this today. We're going to have enough time to do this today. I'm going to be probably refining this with more specificity specificity. Jesus Christ. I promise you I can speak English. With more specificity, right? And yeah, some integration. So we're going to do some data ingestion pipelines, right? This is where Eliza is going to shine. So we're going to be using Eliza to do our data fetcher agents to connect to the blockchain APIs and define the specific endpoints and events to monitor wallet data. And then we utilize Eliza's integration with message brokers with like RabbitMQ and Kafka, and then implement retry logic, and then develop workflows with Eliza OS to filter out irrelevant data, remove duplicates, enhance wallet data by adding metadata like transaction frequency, all that good stuff. Leverage RAG to store, clean, and enrich data. I know it sounds really crazy, but it's not so hard. No, actually, it's hard. I'm not saying it's fucking hard, but it's implementable. You get what I'm saying? It's implementable. Like we literally are. This is base 0, and this is literally it, right? So what we're going to be doing today is refining this down, all the way down, like make this this PLD as incredibly not detailed, but all the harder parts of the things that actually are really hard. We're going to really, really drill down and nail them in. That's the core. This is engineering at the end of the day. I know it sounds crazy, but literally everything that is being done here is just literally we're simply just be installing Eliza on the cloud platform, choosing the appropriate blockchain, picking a this thing. We are going to be probably using Superbase. I like Superbase a lot. We're going to be using encryption data. I need to see what this is about. I need to bring my product people. Then we use a data fetcher agent to connect with blockchain APIs. So this is where I think we need to do a bit of work. The message brokers. Then we do this, and it is literally in the docs. It's hard, but it's not that hard. Then we'll do a bit of RAG, and then we'll define the scoring data and clustering logic, right? And we'll just look at this, right? And then we'll choose appropriate AI machine learning algorithms, right? We are just going to be using AI, to be honest. And the parameter fine-tuning, just to ensure that we get things right. And then we're going to integrate ZK compression for secure aggregation, right? Then we use Helios Labs ZK compression algorithms, libraries within Eliza's for extensible action system. Then we'll make sure that our data is aggregated properly, right? Then we ensure that ZK compression proofs are validated within Eliza OS. And then we build the execution module, right? Good. This is perfect. I love this. Right? And then we'll test this, establish the testing framework. Great. Right? And we'll just do a bit of this. It's probably going to take a bit of time, guys. But I promise you that stick with me. We're going to actually build this. Stick with me. We're actually going to build this. And then I think in the next stream, the stream for tomorrow, I think I'll stream for longer tomorrow. I definitely will stream for longer tomorrow. And what that stream will be is probably be something that we are going to be building out use like Miro, right, to build out what this looks like, the different components. So we deploy, right, and then we just get this proof of concept going, right? So that's it right there. So that is our PLD. It is really crazy. I know it looks really complicated, but we're building AI agents that are going to onboard people. And this is like for airdrops, right? This is going to really this one is pretty much going to be free. It's going to be a proof of concept, pretty hard. It's going to be a proof of concept. We'll probably do some stuff. I don't know yet. I'm working with a few people. I'm just trying to talk with my team to understand what we want to do by way of I don't know, integrating builders into this. We're talking with a bunch of people. We're going to be doing stuff around building different protocols. Talking with some amazing friends of mine at different protocols. This is going to really be great. So stick with me. Okay, so I guess one of the first thing we can do, we can go to. All right, cool. Let's start a new project. And let's going to remove this. I'm going to say this. So we're going to say go through everything at instructions.nd and tell me portions the portions of the implementation section that require. Hold on, I'm gonna open this again. Let's see. Okay, that require heavy duty code so we can write them now and create proof of concepts. Okay, hold on. I'm just going to say this. No code required for now. For now, just tell me the portions that require code. Again, I have to say a big thank you, guys. Guys, there are 129 people on stream. 129 people. Yesterday, I had 0. Nobody was on stream. I was talking to myself. And my microphone was off. Genuinely from the bottom of my heart, really grateful for y'all. Okay. Okay. The data ingestion pipeline. Okay. Why do we have step 2, step 3? Whatever happens to step 1? Okay. You guys see it's crazy work. So into our data ingestion pipeline is our perception module. So okay. So that is literally this. Okay. So I'm trying to decide now whether if I want to start with doing this configuring of the Eliza OS, or I want to go to this first and then build a proof of concept that our AI tools can then use to get better at building our projects. I don't know. I think I want to go with doing this first. Okay, so a perception module. Let's see. Actually, no, we have to actually build. We actually need to do this first because we need to set up our Postgres before canal. Sorry, guys. Oh, sorry. I don't have a code, so I don't even know where that came from. All right, cool. Let's go back to this. So let's set up this installation first. All right, cool. Sorry. All right, cool. I'm so sorry, guys. I had to talk to my friends that were doing. Cool. Yeah, so we're going to say something. Yes, we're going to install this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So cool. Hold on. Let's see if this works. Let's see if that actually works, to be honest. So, quick start journey, role playing, entertainment, knowledge workers, content analysis. Okay. Okay. So, trying to look for how can I install Eliza on my chosen cloud platform? Can I? How possible is it? How possible is it to do that? Let's see. Get started. Quick core concepts. Okay, so core concepts. So what I'm trying to do now is to there has to be a way to advance. So let's see we have trust engine infra, our guides. Let's see core concept packages. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do this. So go through go through the docs. Go through the docs at Eliza. Oh no. Eliza. Yeah, there you go. And give me step by step process of doing this as you recommended. Okay, so what we're doing here is let's see. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. So we need to actually install this thing, the reasoner agent. Okay. Ah, sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay, so what is a little different from what we are being asked to do. So let's just go. Let's just follow what is. So we're going to be we are already in here, and we just sure. Okay, this is here. So we need to go over here. We need to do so ls. You're going to loot chain, and we just go do an npm init y, and then right. So we have that right there. But what I actually want, okay, good. I'm just gonna so let's say so create the agent characters. Okay, good. And then the reasoner agent goes on to do this. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Executor agent, yeah, core agent implementation. Okay, now the problem with this is that it is vastly different for what we are doing here. It's vastly different. So what I need to know is this. This seems to be this implementation seems to be different from what is outlined here. Let's see what that's what it has to say. Outlined here. Remember we are trying to build the project as outlined in the PLD done here. Okay, instructions.md. Okay, this looks fire. So let's see. Guys, we are 1 hour 30 minutes into the stream. I cannot believe my eyes. 135 people. You guys, thank you so much for joining. I literally, I was the only one on stream yesterday. Okay. 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 What is the right one according to Eliza? According to Eliza and our project needs. Okay, let's see what this is about. Because this is funny. The reason why it's funny is because it's this, right? This is where the problem is. We have been told that we should install Eliza on our choosing cloud platform. But there seems to be two ways to go about it. We can either install Eliza on a cloud platform, that is install it on AWS, or we can go on to build it locally and then move it to AWS. So I'm trying to ask GPT what is the right one to do, which is where really Claude and every other AI platform or AI tooling actually excels. It really excels in helping you think as to how people have done what you're trying to do before and then implement according to what they're trying to do, right? Okay, so I'm going to see, okay, we've done this already. So characters, plugins, wallets, okay. Oh, see where it's at. So we're using Eliza's plugin system, okay. Database adapters for storage, blockchain, okay, this looks perfect. The only thing I worry about now is that, if I remember correctly, Claude has issues with knowledge cutoff. So I'm going to say, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put my microphone back, and I'm going to say this. I'm going to switch the models to O1 Mini, and I'm going to take this, right? I'm going to do this, right? I'm going to move this. I'm going to say this is the install these are, my apologies, these are the, oh my Jesus Christ, these are the instructions that a developer has given me for getting my project as outlined in the fact of the matter, this is the part of AI engineer or rather AI prompting that a lot of people seem to consistently miss. You consistently miss this part. It's a lot of checking from one model to the other, reading the code, like literally looking at the code, eyeballing the code till it's crazy, because you cannot just tap your way. You literally cannot, you should not even do that, because you want to ensure that you are looking at everything that the code is, that the AI generated code looks like, if it fits in with your security considerations and if it fits in with what you're trying to do. Because now look at what I'm trying to do now. Like, there literally is this right here, right? And it's amazing, but it's one way to go about it, right? But there seems to be like multiple ways. So I'm trying to ensure that I get the right way to go about it before I actually do it. So I'm going to set it like example for my class. So I'm going to do this, right? Is this the right way? This is the right thing to do by way of what do you call it now? This is the right thing to do by way of setting up this project. Okay, I'm just going to go to normal. Let's see what O1 has to say. I think what I'm going to do is that whatever time that this stream ends, right, and it's probably going to end soon, what we are okay, okay, it seems to be the right thing to do. Okay. Oh, damn. Okay, I mean that makes perfect sense. So what we are going to do is this now. So you are utilizing the Eliza's plugin system. All right, perfect. You're using the data feature agent, all that good stuff, right? Good, perfect. This looks amazing, amazing. Okay, now we're going to be ending stream very soon. And what this stream, what we have done in this stream, what I wanted to do in this stream was to help everyone understand how to literally get started with the Eliza OS, right? And what building of a new project, as we are going to be building, right, would look like. And that's what it looks like right now. What it looks like is something that looks exactly like this, right? I'm going to just show you guys what it looks like right now. So, looks exactly like this. I'm sure I think this is it. Oh, we actually have it somewhere. Where's the new composer? Oh my goodness. Give me a minute, guys. It is somewhere. So this apparently is an even better way of it. So step one, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to say step. So set up Eliza OS locally instead. And what this is, yeah. So exactly. And so what this is just this, right? This is what we are going to be doing. So you see, so you can see, right? What we need to focus on is, so what we are going to be doing is that we're going to be ensuring that, of course, we're operating within the Eliza OS framework, right? We already created this, we'll do this, right? And then we'll do the install of this, and then we'll do this, we'll do the EVM, and then we'll create this folder. And then we're just going to be doing this core implementation files all the way through, right? So instead of going and having it installed in our cloud platform, what this is going to mean for us genuinely at the end of the day is that we have it deployed, done locally, and then we deploy it. In the next stream that we're going to be doing, our next stream, and before we have our next stream, right, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to have this broken down into incredibly granular detail. I'm going to have slides, because I think you guys would like some slides. Maybe looking at my face for too long is a bad idea. So we're going to have slides. We're also going to have what you call it now. We're going to have a lot of what you call it now. We're going to have a mirror framework, right, of the different ways that the data is going to move between the application, right? That kind of makes sense to me. How data is going to have mirror on how the data is going to move in the application. Then we are going to have little sample code, right? So prepare, because this stream was for helping you understand what Eliza looks like. But next stream is going to be us properly building our own project, right? And all that good stuff. So it's really genuinely been exciting, doing this, seeing what the future of computing is, right? And honestly, I'm so excited to see how we can build this. Our project is a pretty complex project, but I believe in us. That sounded a little that sounded a little bit schizophrenic. But I believe that we could do this. I believe that we can do this. Right. I genuinely appreciate everyone that's come on stream. Thank you so much, Uche. Thank you so much, Brian. Thank you so much, 145 of you that are on stream. This is mind blowing for me. Yesterday was 0. Today is 145. I am humbled. It's going to be a long. We're going to be together for so long. 180 days of streaming, building, and just making and bringing $1 billion on chain. That is going to be crazy. Honestly, it's going to be crazy, and I'm genuinely excited to do this video. So listen, I'm going to be ending the stream soon. Actually, now, to be honest, now I need to get some sleep. It's like, what time is it? It's 11:46 my time, and my stomach aches, and my waist aches also too. Nobody tells you that streaming is go straight to your waist. But yes, it's been so incredibly blessed and so incredibly exciting to do this with you. We have our AI agent here, guys. That's powerful stuff. I'm gonna say, where can I? Where's that again? We have our cute little chat over here, and it's just really cute. We have a cute little agent here. I know that's great. For that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're going to do today. Yeah. So genuinely, thank you guys so much. I'm going to be ending this stream in a short while. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. In the next stream, we are going to be fully fleshing out our project. You've seen the PLD. The PLD is amazing, right? It's a lot of stuff. It's airdrops. We're going to be building 16 such projects. That is crazy work. We're going to do it. And we're going to do it together. Right? We're going to do it together. We're going to get some music for y'all. Right? We're going to get some banners. It's going to be fire. All right, now, you guys, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. I'm ending the stream right now. 145 of you guys. I don't even want to say bye-bye. Okay, now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, y'all. Bye, y'all. Say bye-bye to the stream. There you go. All right, now, you guys. Bye.